I wanna know what love is.
Guys, was that Riz? Elephant! No train horn! Ah! Bulls! Alright, let's head to work. Dying. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys! Guys, was that Riz?
I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
You know, I heard so many people compliment my singing after the first vlog. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna keep singing. Actually, that's a lie. Everyone said my singing sucks and I need to work on it. But you know what I say to that? Damn, brother, man. Guys, this just might be the most perfect weather to ride a bike in. Look at how beautiful that is. Actually, it's kind of like gloomy, but temperature is like in like 60s. It feels good, wind is good. Oh shoot, can I make it? Of course I can. Should have stayed in third, because I'm gonna be revving high. Not gonna lie, with this fog, I feel like the road could be a little bit slick, so you definitely wanna be more careful. Yeah, I'm being a lot more careful in turns and all that, and not trying to make any sharp turns, because you hit that wrong, you're gonna go bloop, bloop, bloop. Also, my visor is fogging up so bad. This fog is not helping. Elephant! Come on. Oh, if that wouldn't have turned green, that would have been really bad. Whoa!
Driving through the roadway.
Why? Why do you even block that off? No train horn! Got it. Whoa, is that beer? I see Michelob. Bud Light's gay. This little place always looks so good. I want to go try it. It's like a little cafe type of thing. Oh, come on. Oh, for a second I forgot how to get to first. Whoa, my visor is so fogged up, guys. I don't even know what I'm looking at. I'm being so for real. I'm kind of just trusting the lines. It is so bad. I need to wipe it. Go ahead, please. Please, after you. Good sir.
I wanna know.
Oh my god, I can't see. Wait, it actually just got so much worse sitting there. Wait, I need to put my visor up. I dead ass cannot see. It's like wet on the outside. What the? What the? Okay. This is so bad. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like. What the? Wait for the big drop. Oh god. I need to fix that. Oh my gosh, I can't see.
Let's talk about love. What love is. Washington showing me.
Alright guys. What the hell the fire truck's doing? Alright guys, so I want to talk about my bike. Kind of just talk about what bike I have, how I got it, how much it costs also, anything I like and don't like about it, and yeah, we'll kind of talk about that today. But here she is. I just cleaned it not that long ago, but it's not in the best condition, but it is somewhat looking good. It was a lot worse a few days ago, so, but yeah, here she is. It is a 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 400 in white. Before anyone says anything, these scratches, all the scratches you see on them, none of them were done by me. All of those, all of these, side of the handlebar, and then back here, that was dropped by the previous owner. He said he dropped it in his driveway. Is that true? I don't know, but that's what he says. That was not me. Probably should put the key in first. But yeah, like I said, this is a Kawasaki Ninja 400. This is my very first bike. I took the MSF in, what was that, July? And then I bought this bike shortly after, maybe 2 weeks after I took the MSF. Looking into bikes, I knew I really wanted a 500 because the new Ninja 500 just came out, and I'm like, wow, this is perfect. You know, why am I in fourth gear already? Everyone was saying like, oh, this is the perfect beginner bikes. Like I feel like 500cc is like something good to like start on. I loved how the Ninjas looked. I mean, I just felt like I was like, dude, I want a Ninja. And I was like, do I want a 400, 500? 500s, I mean, they're pretty much like the exact same price. So 400, 500 MSRP is like the exact same. So I'm like, might as well get the 500, you know? Yeah, I was pretty wrong on that. The MSRP is the same, or like $100 off or something. But when you go to actually buy it, you're not buying MSRP. 400s have been around for longer, or at least the Ninja 400, like this model. So you're going to be able to buy a lot for under MSRP. If you buy, a used one that has miles on it, whatever, you're going to be able to buy for under MSRP. The 500 just came out. You're not buying for under MSRP or even MSRP for that matter. If you buy from a dealership, all those fees, I've looked at, I saw a Reddit post, someone broke down the fees of like buying a 500, and they're spending like another $1,000 on top of the MSRP for handling fees and just, they do the title there for you. It's a lot of extra fees that you don't think about when you just look at the MSRP, or even if you look at the price at a dealership, which might be for MSRP or it might be a little bit more, whatever. Point is, yes, they're about the same MSRP. 500, you're paying way more. And for only a 50cc difference, I'm like, I need a starter bike. I'm getting the 400 because I wanted a Ninja, and the next option, I'm not getting a Ninja 650. That's the next one, or 600. I didn't want that for my starter bike. I mean, I just don't need the power. Also, the money. This is really cheap for the power that you get. And I've heard amazing things about this beginner bike, and so that's what I wanted. And I can confidently say that I do not regret it at all. I mean, I am very, very happy with my decision. I don't ever see a bike and I'm like, man, like I wish I would have wanted that bike. No, I can confidently say I made the right decision. However, I will say, I think I paid too much. You can get a good Ninja 400, almost just like this one, for about low $4,000, 42, 4,500. You can find them on Facebook Marketplace that have, decently low miles and in good condition. And I saw some of those. However, for me, I saw the white color and I'm like, I need that color. I'm like, I saw the white and I'm like, I just thought it looked so good. Dude, I don't care what I have to pay. I want that color, which is a mistake on my end. But I, for this bike, paid $5,000. And like I said, you can find a very, very good Ninja 400. And I've seen a lot for around $4,000 or even 42, 4,500, whatever. You just kind of have to be patient and wait. And that I was not patient. I took the MSF. I kind of fell into this loop on YouTube where I'm like, oh man, I just love bikes. I kept watching YouTube for bikes. I took the MSF. I'm like, I fell in love with the bike. I took it on. I'm like, I just want to ride right now. It was a very impractical time to buy it too, because I was about 2 weeks away from moving to college, and I'm like, I didn't even know if I could get a parking pass for it yet. I didn't know where I was, how I was going to transport it. I kind of had to figure all that out within a span of a week moving to college, which is a lot. I don't recommend doing what I did. It was very impulsive, and I don't want to say non-mature, but I guess just a childish thing, I want a bike, you know what I mean? I didn't do it the right way. I highly recommend take your time on your bike. Even if you want it right away, I wanted it, I just wanted a bike, that's all I knew. Take your time, because if I would have waited, even I would have said if I would have waited just 2 weeks to keep looking at Marketplace, dude, there's bikes popping up all the time. Marketplace is filled with bikes. If I would have just waited, I guarantee you I could have saved at least $600, $700, $800 just on buying the bike, because I overpaid for this thing. I know it. I know I did. There's nothing wrong with the bike. The bike is nice. But a few things bad about it were the scratches on it. The scratches I don't mind, because it's a beginner bike. This is not my 1,000cc liter bike that I'm showing off for taking the meets or whatever. This is a beginner bike. Bikes are meant to have fun, and I don't know, I just don't place a lot of obviously I'm gonna keep it in good condition, but if it has a scratch, whatever, it doesn't matter. Most likely I'm gonna drop this bike. Thankfully, I've been running for about 3 months now and I haven't dropped it. Knock on wood. I'm hoping that I never do, but that's kind of what people say, it's your beginner bike, you're gonna drop it. Why pay more at a dealership for a bike that's never been touched if it's a beginner bike and you're gonna drop it, a week into driving? So that's why I didn't want to go to a dealership, all those fees. And I'm like, I would be way too scared to even drive a brand new bike. Imagine if I go to a dealership, buy a brand new Ninja 500, go drop it a week out, and then it loses so much value, it just didn't make sense to me to buy at a dealership, buy brand new. Yeah, that's why I went with used. But yeah, like I said, it had a lot of miles on it. It had around 7,500 miles when I bought it. I think one of the things that compelled me though was it was a 2023, so I knew it wasn't an old bike. It's just the guy put about 7,000 miles on it because he took it to work every day, and he said his work is like, I want to say like 45 minutes away. So he put 7,000 miles on it in like, what, a year and a half-ish, which is a lot of miles for a bike. That is a lot of riding. So this guy has put a lot more miles than I have on it. So a lot of miles. The scratches on it, those are the only two like downsides to it, and obviously the fact that I'm paying a lot. But like I said, I just really wanted the white. It was the first white one that I saw on Marketplace, and I'm like, dude, I talked him down a little bit, but I'm like, whatever, screw it. I'll pay he's probably about $300-400 over what it should be, but whatever, I'll just pay that because I want the white. I did have to buy new tires right away, like literally. I maybe put 100 miles on the bike, and then I'm like, all right, I need to buy new tires. The tread it wasn't horrible, but like I said, it was near 8,000 miles, and it was still the original tires. So it probably would have been fine. I can tell the guy took care of the bike, but you know, I just wanted to like switch it out because I'm a beginner. I didn't want to have a bad experience and have my tires be the reason that I fall or drop the bike. So I just wanted that security. Everyone was telling me, I mean, I asked a few people that ride, and they're like, yeah, you need to get new tires. 8,000 miles is a lot. Tires were honestly not that expensive. I want to say like in the 200s, 200-300s for both tires. I mean, I just bought stock tires. I didn't buy anything crazy, but like still, that was very, I thought it was gonna be a lot more. I'm thinking 500-600, but no, it wasn't bad at all. But yeah, overall, looking at it, I have zero complaints with it. I love it. I still have fun on the bike every single day. It never gets old for me. Will I be upgrading soon? Soon, no, but I do plan on upgrading. I'm thinking I'll probably get about a year and a half, kind of same like the previous owner before me did. Get about a year and a half on it, and then maybe go to 600. Will I ever get a liter? No, unless if I make like riding like my lifestyle, then I'll get a liter. But for me, I'm not a big go fast, like I don't need a lot of power. Like I just enjoy riding, and I don't see any reason why you need anything more than a 600. But I don't know, time will tell. As of now, I love the 400. Also, don't really have that much money to buy a better bike. So yeah, this is what we got for now. I'm very happy. I am starving, so I'm gonna go eat. I will see you guys later.